this idea of tech-enabled Mahakumbh. Um, and then we also talked about agri being very important for you. Agriculture is very important. Agri-tech is very important. Doubling farmers' income is very important. How are you addressing that? And secondly, how can the tech industry, most important people in the tech industry are all here today, how can the tech industry support you in Mahakumbh, in Nasik Kumbh, as well as in Agri-tech?
You have asked me a very relevant question, because many times people feel that when we talk about technology, there is a whole community which is left out, and mostly people talk about farming community, which is fairly big in number and which actually feed us. I mean, everything on our plate is because of them, so they are most important. Of late, we have realized that it is only by using the technology that we can double their income. We can actually change their lives. So we have already started that. We have started the AgriStack program. This AgriStack program is end-to-end digitization of farming cycle. It is about digitization of the farmlands. It's about digitization of their farm produce. It's about digitization of their market access. It is about digitization of every single thing. And with now using the drone technology, I think a simple intervention by Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, he started this program called Drone Didi. Now these rural women are trained to pilot the drone, and using that drone you can do the spraying in a precision manner at a very low cost and without disturbing the soil. So such interventions into technology are very important today. If you see that mostly the land holding has come down, and because of that the ability to put in money has also gone down, and that is where shared type of interventions are very important, and that can only be brought by using technology. So today we have a multi-purpose society in every village. Now we have digitized every society. So almost all the societies are digitized. By digitizing these societies, we have brought in transparency, and we have enhanced their ability to finance the farmer. Otherwise, farmer will go to some private person, and he will end up into a debt trap. So these societies, now we are converting these societies into multi-purpose societies. In multi-purpose societies, they will have warehouse, they will have a market connect. So that will actually create an entire rural economy, that will change entire rural economy. So I think that is very important, that we use lot of technology into. Today we can see that using technology in irrigation has changed the yields. The yields are increasing because of technology. There was a time when in some of the parts of Maharashtra, let's say a district like Sangli, which is agriculturally very advanced district, we can see some lands have become arid. They have become unproductive because of excessive use of water. So today, with the use of technology, we can give precision irrigation to the crops, whereby our soil is also protected. At the same time, we get the good yield. So we are actually working on 2-3 programs with the World Bank as well, whereby there's one program called SMART, where we are actually creating the entire smart infrastructure for the farmers. And I think it is very important to use the technology.